Hello everyone, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. First and foremost, we would like to thank everyone who attended Quilt Show and came to stop by our booth and check out everything that we had there, and also everyone that then came to the store and visited us here all weekend. We had a wonderful time. It was a great success, so we really want to thank all of you for supporting us and continuing to just be the most amazing customers. So thank you so much from the Quilting Bee. Okay, and with that, we can go ahead and get started on our little fabric tour for today. So we'll start off with our kit of the week. We are super excited to show this one off. This is Wildlife Trail. This uses the Wildlife Trail fabric from Wilmington Prints. It incorporates the panel, which is all of these wonderful little quilt blocks, and then lots of gorgeous piecing as well. So as we get into that cooler season and you want to sort of show off more of your wildlife stuff, maybe you have a cabin, this would be perfect for that. We did some beautiful cuddle on the back so it's nice and soft and warm. So if this looks like something you want to try out, you can stop by. It'll be 20% off for the next week. So definitely stop on by and check that out. Okay, and that brings us to our notion of the week. This week we are doing all of the Choco Liner pens. So all different colors. They've got that great refillable chalk dispenser. There's a little wheel there that helps just glide right along your fabric. So all of the pens and the refills here will be 20% off as well. And then coming around the corner here, right up front, as we showed before, all of our Halloween stuff is still up front. And we are having a sale. So all panels are 40% off. Fabric is 20% off. And we even have some kits that are 20% off as well, including the cute little owl quilt that we showed off earlier in the season also. So lots of cute things. There's still some time to get started on a fun little Halloween project. So if you want to stop on by, you can get a great deal on some of these beautiful fabrics. Okay, we're actually going to walk down this way today into our what we call color wall sections. We've got all of our beautiful tone-on-tone sort of blender fabrics all along here. We like to put the newer blenders on the end caps here so people can see them before they get transitioned onto the wall here. And this week our spotlight is Glaze 2, designed by Libs Elliott from Andover. Lots of beautiful saturated prints, bright colors. It's a really beautiful blender. Lots of great texture in there. Has some really nice movement as well. And we of course have some fat quarters for this line. And there also is a very cool free pattern that is available to download on Andover's website for this line too. So that is pretty cool. And we actually have two blender lines today. So we're gonna take a look at this one right here on this end cap. It's just the top row here. But this one is called Color Field from Maywood. This is actually the second version of the collection. The first colorway came out last year, and this is the new colors. So you've got lots of beautiful blenders there. And then you've also got this multicolored one in the light background. And you also have this beautiful sort of multicolored one with a little bit of a darker background. There is going to be a free pattern for this one. It's not quite out yet because this line is so new, but this is the free pattern that they're going to have for this collection as well. So it gives you a little bit of inspiration. Okay, and the next one, we're actually going to slide down this aisle right here. This is kind of what we would call we've got some polka dots, some plaids, some stripes, kind of a little bit of a blender, but with more of a print. And this line right up here, we are super excited about. This is called Magic Dot from Moda. It was designed by Lella Boutique. You might recognize these dots from a lot of her collections. So they decided, why not have a whole variety that you can get anytime as a basic? So we are super excited about those, and they're kind of in a great place. You can see them right as you walk by. Okay, and now we're gonna walk along here. We've got some gorgeous flannels on all of the end caps here. And we've got some new ones to show off. So we have these beautiful wovens from Robert Kaufman, a whole variety of plaids and prints, lots of beautiful colors. We kind of are going for more autumn shades here, some warmer tones. A really great mix of different sizes and scale of the plaids, different textures with a few of these. We've got even more mixed into our flannel section too, but we thought we'd show you the main ones here. We do have our 14-yard stacks here that we've been using for rag quilts, but we are doing a sample of the new Diana supersized quilt from the Stripology book that also calls for 14 half yards. So we'll have kind of a fun new option for you, and as soon as we get that sample back, we'll show it off to you on here. Okay, another flannel line that we are super excited about is the Safari Stargazer flannel from Riley Blake. Now this one is amazing. They are super soft. This is their double napped flannel, so you know it's really good quality, very soft, perfect for those baby quilts and all those things you want to make super soft for little ones. We've got two different colorways, one in the pinks and one in the blues, and we've got lots of pre-cuts in back quarters for this collection as well. And we're just going to sneak through our kids section here to get to the back. Lots of cute stuff in here that we've shown recently. Always a good place to stop by. Okay, first up in our novelty section, we're going to show off this collection right here. This is Morning Serenade from Wilmington Prints. It is a sweet little rooster collection, has that very shabby chic look to it, sort of on the farm, but with florals. Got a few more blenders down here at the bottom. There's also a gorgeous panel right up top here with all of these adorable little roosters. And then of course some pre-cuts for this collection, as well as a border print here. Another thing that's just right on the corner that we wanted to show off, we just got these in. These are from Riley Blake as well. These are Minky blankets. They are actually a finished product, but they use their national park panels as the print on the top side of the blanket. You've got the Yellowstone name right at the top there, and then some beautiful Minky on the back. So if you're looking for a quick gift, maybe Christmas is coming up, you want to get your Christmas shopping done early, I think these are going to be very popular for that. So if you need a last minute gift, maybe you know somebody that really loves the national parks, this would be such a lovely gift. And right now we have Yellowstone, and we also have Mount Rainier as well, and they are all 60 by 72 inches. So those are amazing. They're super soft and cuddly. They would be lovely to snuggle under this winter. Okay, and next that brings us actually just right here with a line from Northcott. This one is called Wild Harvest. Beautiful for this time of fall. It's got all of this lovely foliage, some cute little mushrooms, beautiful ferns. This main mushroom print is so adorable. Some really great prints in this line and a few panels as well. So first up, we have some placemat panels. These are really fun. They've got kind of that empty space in the middle there that if you wanted to do some embroidery, machine embroidery or hand embroidery would be very cool. They come in sets of 2, so you can get however many you need. Next up, this one I'm super excited about. This one is actually on a canvas material, and it is a tote bag panel. So you can cut this guy out and turn it into an adorable little tote bag. You've got both sides there, the straps, there's a cute little pocket, and of course the instructions just right in the corner here as well. So super easy and a really fun project. Again, be perfect to whip out as a gift, maybe. And then this one here is also very fun. This is a panel, apron panel. So you've got the apron on the front there, got the places for all the little pockets, you've got your straps. And then on the side here, also some cute little oven mitts. So some really fun kind of whimsical projects with this collection, which I think is very fun. You could line any of those with some of the yardage that we have along here to make it nice and finished. Next up, we have a gorgeous new horse panel for those of you that are into the horses. This is the Running Wild collection from QT. So this gorgeous panel that's on the wall up here. And then just a few blenders to go with it right down here. So that's a very fun one. The panel is gorgeous. It has lots of those bright teals mixed with those rust colors, and it just really pops and is very beautiful. Okay, and now coming around the corner here, we're stepping into our reproduction traditional fabrics area. And right along here, I've got quite a large collection. Already is flying off the shelves. This is the new Kansas Troubles collection from Moda called Daisy Lane. Very much sticking with their traditional color scheme with those beautiful jewel tones. And then right up top here, we have a couple different pre-cuts for you. So we've got some fat 8s and some fat quarters. We really love cutting the fat 8s in a line like this because sometimes you need lots of different prints. Like you can see how scrappy this kind of looks. So kind of helps if you want lots of different prints with not as much extra left over. So those are fantastic for that. Okay, and moving up to the counter here, we've got a couple more things to show off. First up, we've got these beautiful machine embroidered tiling scene designs from OESD. These beautiful stockings. They turned out so gorgeous. So if you want to try something new out, these are brand new from OESD. And they would be a beautiful Christmas project. Just look at all that detail in there. Okay, and then next up here, we thought it would be kind of fun to show off something that we do on Whatnot. We do Whatnot, which is its own separate app. You can download the app from the App Store. Anyone can do that. There are instructions on our website, by the way, if you haven't done that yet. But every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific time, we do Whatnot. And one of the things we do are these really fun mystery fat quarter bags. So each one has a different theme. There are 5 fat quarters in each bag, and we do them auction style on Whatnot. So we start them off at $6, and then people bid, and whoever wins gets to choose which theme they like. So it's very fun. It's always a really great time. So if you want to join in on the fun, you can join us later. You get a little sneak peek at some of the themes that we've got going here today. We also always do giveaways on Whatnot too, which is super fun. And today, for a little sneak peek, we're going to show off what we've got here. So, got a little mini charm from Henry Glass of the Tranquility line. And then we've got this adorable little sewing kit as well, with the cute little tassel and some metallic gold detailing. So those are always a really good time. We also have all of the new fabric that we showed this morning over on Whatnot. So whether you live out of town or you can't make it into the store, it's a great way to participate and get some lovely fabric if you like it. So yeah, really good time, and we hope to see you there. Just another thank you for everyone who came to see us during Quilt Show. It was a fantastic year, and we really appreciate all of you who came out to see us both at the Quilt Show and here at the store. So thank you so much, and we appreciate you so much. Okay, I think that is it for today. Thank you everyone for joining us. Leave a comment what your favorite line was, or if you want to request something for Whatnot later on. I would really appreciate that too. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next week for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.